Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka United Democratic Party haka khandai trek ukala lingkot arajar arpulai kalapan benai ki kerteng juki arngut ki kertong ki ban Ïakhun ka election jong mentau snem u General Secretary ke UDP uba Jamino Mautho ulapan benai ki arngut ki kertong kata ka Dr. Pilni A Sangma na North Tura but u MLA but MDC barim na po South Tura u John Leslee Sangma haba keren cikilat pathai kubor unong yalam ka seng UDP but u baderu ulampang ka yung dor bar tauan uba met ba lingdo ulaong ba ka seng UDP kan sayu MLA but MDC barim na South Tura u John Leslee Sangma kalong ban Ïakhun Pyrshah yo menteri rang ba ka jela u Conrad ki Sangma
said and decided to feel one of the ex-MLA from South Tura constituency, Mr. John Leslee Sangma. We are also very glad to inform you, as announced by the General Secretary, to have with us once again Dr. Pilni Sangma, who was our candidate in the last MDC election from Tura constituency. We are fielding Dr. Pilni Sangma as our candidate from the North Tura constituency. Friends, I would like to tell all of you here that as a party, this upcoming election, we could see that the people of the state looks up to us as the biggest regional party in the state. And we are pleased to have with us altogether 34 candidates whom we have already finalized. In a very short span of time, we will again come out with another list of candidates, out of which 5 of them are the sitting legislators of this present house, and with few other more candidates from other constituencies also. The people of the state, as I have said, are looking for UDP to address the issues and concerns, the matters related to the welfare of the state. And we stand committed that we will try our level best that we deliver those expectations of the people of the state when we have been given the mandate in this upcoming election. We are very confident and we are working very hard to see that in each and every nooks and corners of the state, in each and every nooks and corners of the constituencies, of each and every constituencies, we will try to reach to all of them, to create the awareness among the electorates, to ensure that this time they make no mistake and be with the UDP in this upcoming election. Friends, I would like to thank both the candidates whom we have announced today, John Leslee, Sangma and Dr. Pyrshah. And we wish them all the very best in this upcoming issue. We will stand beside them and give them support in whatever way we could to ensure that they sail smoothly in this upcoming election.